Hey folks, Tim with Technical Glass Products. I'm standing here today in front of the Claude Moore Medical Education Building at the University of Virginia. The centerpiece of this building is the Learning Studio lecture space just inside this glass opening. It is a double height circular studio, and it's glazed here with Profilit, which is a channel glass product made by Pilkington and fabricated by TGP. Although you'll see a stacked joint between the upper and lower portions, Profilit does not require intermediate vertical mullions, allowing for long runs of glass along the radius. In addition to Profilit, these elevations shown here incorporate traditional monolithic glass panels to allow for uninterrupted views from the lecture space to outside. Profilit here reduces the solar heat gain and allows for diffuse lighting that isn't overpowering. Helps this building earn a LEED Silver rating via daylighting and view credits. Profilit enables the occupants inside the studio to enjoy a connection to the outside, brings light into the space while still maintaining a sense of privacy. Profilit is available in a wide variety of plank widths, textures, and colors. Visit tgpamerica.com for more information.